we are then, team. Christmas. We're Cotswolding for Christmas. So here we are. Cotswolding. Yes, it's a new thing. Merry Christmas.
Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. With the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. That's nice. May your days be merry and bright. And may all
Merry Christmas.
your Christmas day
Merry Christmas.
Oh,
be
Wow. How very, very nice.
I'd like to do this. This would be nice, wouldn't
have we ever done this anymore?
it? No.
So what's that noise in them?
Oh, it's the church bells, isn't it?
Oh, listen.
It's nice, isn't it?
Well, this is nice, Deb.
Yeah.
Sounds very festive. Festive bell ringing going on.
Sure is.
We'll get a handle on it one day.
You get like
I can't think that tune
the
is
twinklage of the lights.
Just think of jingle bells and all those cold things. Oh, the weather outside is frightful.